So here we will discuss about the QSAR, that is quantitative structural activity relationship. It is a mathematical relationship between a biological activity of a molecule and its geometry and also chemical characteristics. So the QSAR is directly proportional to the activity of any molecule or molecular fragment properties. So QSAR is consistent relationship between biological activity and molecular properties, so that these rules can be used to evaluate the activity of new compound. So the quantitative structural activity relationship between the biological activity and of a molecule and its geometry, how the molecule will uh, uh, will attach to a target site, how efficiently a molecule will attach to a target site. Next one is the physicochemical parameters of the QSAR. First one is the Hammett value or Hammett parameter. So the Hammett parameter, it is a relationship between the rate of reaction and equilibrium constant for many reactions. So the Hammett parameter can be defined or can be denoted as sigma values, or also known as sigma values parameter, is the relationship between the equilibrium constant and rate of reaction. So Hammett parameter developed by the Louis Flock Hammett in 1937. So what is the equation for the Hammett parameter? Sigma x is equal to log kx upon kh is equal to log kx minus kh. So here x is it can be any electron withdrawing group. Louis Hammett, a scientist in 1894 and to 1987, correlated electronic parameters of organic acids and base with their equilibrium constant and reactivity. So basically the Hammett value or Hammett parameter describe the relationship between the equilibrium constant of a reaction and their rate of reaction. So here we considered a dissociation of benzoic acid. So benzoic acid dissociate into its ion, that is negative and positive. Here X also is any electron withdrawing group, that can be COOH or that can be COH group, CO minus electron withdrawing group, any electron withdrawing group replaced in place of X. So the equilibrium constant or rate of reaction for benzoic acid is that. So sigma x is equal to benzoic acid minus charge and H plus ion upon total rate of backward reaction upon rate of forward reaction. So here Kx is equal to dissociation constant of substituted benzoic acid and Kh is equal to dissociation constant of benzoic acid. Here X is electron withdrawing group have positive value and electron donating group have negative value. So when we calculate the dissociation constant of benzoic acid, so if electron withdrawing group, as in benzoic acid COO minus is electron withdrawing group, so the value it comes is negative value if it describes resonance effect. Hammett parameter also describe the resonance effect. Hammett constant applied specifically to the group attached to an aromatic system. So here benzoic acid is aromatic group is benzene ring and the attached group is acid COOH or COO minus. Next one is Taft steric constant. It is described the steric effect of. So Taft steric constant describes the steric effect of the substituent or a molecule. It measures the bulkiness of group and shows closeness of. So Taft steric constant denoted by ES. So it measures the bulkiness of group and shows closeness of contact between the drug and the receptor site. Example of Taft steric constant. It can be calculated from rate of hydrolysis of substituted ester against a standard ester under acidic condition. So in Hammett value or Hammett parameter, we can calculate that we can correlate the relationship between the rate of reaction and equilibrium constant of the reaction. But here we will discuss about in Taft steric parameter how it measures the bulkiness of group and shows closeness of contact between the drug and receptors. How closely tied the drug with the receptor or how closely bound the drug with the receptor can be measured by the effect of Taft steric constant. So it is denoted by ES, and example of it can be calculated by the from the rate of hydrolysis of substituted ester against a standard ester under acidic condition. So the basic formula for that example is ES is equal to log Kx minus K naught. So here Kx is equal to rate of hydrolysis of substituted ester and K naught is equal to rate of hydrolysis of parent ester. So next is Hence parameter, or Hence parameter can be denoted by the pi value. It is investigated quantitative relationship between the biological activity of series of compound and their physicochemical substituent. So in the Hence analysis, Hammett constant, there is a relationship between the equilibrium constant and rate of reaction. In Taft steric constant, there is a relationship between the how bulky group can be attached to its receptor site, that measured by the Taft steric constant, or in Hence value or Hence parameter, we can evaluate the relationship between the biological activity of series of compound and their physicochemical substituent. So here QSAR relate physicochemical properties like log P value with biological activity. So log P value is electronic and steric factor. So the Hence value or Hence parameter can be denoted by pi. Pi is equal to log Px upon Ph. So log Px minus Ph is equal Px minus Ph. Pi is equal to log Px minus Ph. Here H is equal to substituted compound and X is equal to derivative in which hydrogen has been replaced by the X group. X group can be electronegative, electropositive. At last, what is the application of QSAR? So QSAR as an instrument for prediction of various type of parameter or various type of activity, how the molecule can bind to its receptor site or target site. It can be measured with the help of QSAR. And next point, estimation of physicochemical properties using substituent constant. So the QSAR is also help in to estimate the physicochemical parameters Next, reduction of number of compound to be synthesized. By the using of QSAR properties, we can minimize the number of synthesis of compound by minimizing or optimizing by the help with the help of QSAR. Faster detection or more active compound. So by the help of QSAR, we can detect faster more active compounds easily. Next, avoidance of synthetic of compound with same activity as a diagnostic instrument, also used as a diagnostic parameter. Information of an possible types of interaction forces. Interaction forces can be defined by the help of QSAR. Also, information on mechanism of action. So here the mechanism of action basically depend upon the how the molecule can bind to the target site. That can be reversible, irreversible binding, that's why the effect can be produced directly depend upon the binding of the molecule. So the binding of the molecule is measured by the help of Taft steric constant. So here also QSAR is used in for detection of inactive compound. QSAR is also help in detection of the inactive compounds. Thank you.